Hello YouTube. It is Berbazooka. That's why it's recommended to eat cinnamon every day. Cinnamon, a product that is not only delicious, but also very useful for your health. However, most of us did not even know it. That's why we'll tell you why it's worth eating cinnamon every day. 1. Experts have shown that cinnamon improves digestion, because it contains the active substance cinnamaldehyde, which improves the digestive system. 2. Protects the health of the heart. Cinnamon contains substances that improve the level of cholesterol and help to avoid high blood pressure. 3. Promotes weight loss. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde, which contributes to the process of fat burning. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.